Hi friends, I am Naveen. I recently purchased a Kia car which had a seat cover which was of cloth and I wanted to change it to a leather seat. So I approached Orchis. I know Anil, the owner of Orchis, personally as well. But I thought these are very expensive seats and I was not really thinking about doing it. But when I came here, I realized that there are various different kinds of covers that you have, and he's picked up very nice cover for me. The work is done professionally and so well. I'm so glad that I've come here to watch this. Thank you so much, Anil bhai, and the entire team. Thank you.